Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Bros. This is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do the pretzel hip bumps. Now, knowing how to do a pretzel already would be helpful, knowing how to do hip bumps already would be helpful. Links to the video clips for those are in the description below, so it's nice and easy for you to find them if you want them. And for everyone else, let's jump straight in. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Let's break it down. Starts like a standard pretzel. We go semicircle, offering the hand. We go left over the lady. We go right over the lady. From here, we use the hand behind our back to guide the lady forwards and angle the lady. The right hand helps control the angle and stops the lady from coming too far forwards. And that means too far to our right, guys, because you don't want her to try and go past you. Then from here, we're going to move in. We're going to bump hips, push back, bump hips, push back. Want a feeling of stretch at that point before we finish the pretzel and go right over the guy, left over the lady and out. Let's do it from the other side and think numbers. So we go back 1, left over the lady 2, right over the lady 3, bumping hips 4 and 5. We're back with stretch 6, over the guy 7, returning 8 and back 1. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, pretzel hip bumps. We go a back, raise the left, the right, bump, bump, stretch over the guy, over the lady and out. And that's the whole thing. Hope you enjoy it. Hope it's good to you out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Music recommendation on the end. Basically the windows that come up, one of them is a music video link, and obviously that's going to be a good tune to dance this to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.